about 3,000 students who sat for the exams, we were able to record about 78% success. What are your feelings about this, and to what do we owe this success?
I'm happy. I'm so excited and elated. I've promised the people of Adamawa that I'm coming with a very serious reform in the education sector. Hitherto, we're writing work results, and most time we come either second to the last behind Zamfara and the rest. And I had a wake-up call that we will change that narratives, and I will ensure that Adamawa will claim her right position in this country as far as education is concerned. And I think it has started yielding results. Last year we had 74%, this year we have 78%. I think kudos to the student, and we will continue to push more into the education reform so that we will position the education sector for better success. All right,
Your Excellency, the 2023 election is fast approaching.
Yeah.
And there appears to be no end in sight to the crisis rocking the party. Up till now, we see that your party has not been able to achieve reconciliation, particularly with key people like your friend, River State Governor Nyesom Wike, still today is saying this, tomorrow is saying another thing. What is happening? Don't you think the presidential ticket of your party is in jeopardy?
I think 2023 is for PDP. Atiku, inshallah, come 2023 will be the president of this country. Our party is united. We are focused, and the reconciliation is open and is in progress. And it will surprise you that I'm even the chairman of the reconciliation committee between Atiku and Wike on Atiku's side. And I assure you that once we start, we will get over it.
We understand you just returned from River State. What is the outcome? How did it go?
Very successful. We have started talking. We will continue to talk. Politics is about interaction, is about discussion, and is about understanding. And we have started that, and very soon I tell you, we'll be putting our hands, crossing the T's and dotting the I's to ensure that the reconciliation is over and PDP is out for success. And I assure you that Nigerians will not even forgive us if we fail to produce the next president of this country. Everything is shattered, everything is in confusion. Nigerians doesn't seem to understand where they are. We wake up every morning at the mercy of God. And so, as leaders, we will ensure we will put everything into this reconciliation to ensure that Atiku and Wike's camp are back as one and united party members for the success of PDP.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.